Click, click, buzz, tap. Is the ball's gone? Good. Hit the power switch. Click, click, buzz, tap. Is the ball's gone? Good. Hit the power switch. Yeah, yeah. Your grease guns grooving on the workbench table. Side of iron swinging from a yellow cable. Sort of flying like a fitting in the air. The cordless drill is spinning without a care. Measures snapping to a 4 on the floor. And the rusting hammer's knocking on the metal door. Safety goggles on. Turn the power up high. Sparks flying up to the oily sky. 3, 2, 1, let the voltage ignite. There's a party in the workshop tonight. Wrenches clanking, neon lights shining bright. Spin the gears, turn the nuts real tight. Yeah, we're cranking up the beat, doing everything right. There's a party in the workshop. Party in the workshop tonight. The Bill Sanders doing the moonwalk shuffle. WD-43 into a brace. I get my full air compressor pumping out a funky big bass. Duct tape sticking all over the place. The bubble level straight, but we're losing control. Even the heavy anvil's gotta rock and roll. Safety goggles on, turn the power up high. Sparks flying up to the oily sky. 3, 2, 1, let the voltage ignite. There's a party in the workshop tonight. Wrenches clanking, neon lights shining bright. Spin the gears, turn the nuts real tight. Yeah, we're cranking up the beat, doing everything right. There's a party in the workshop. Party in the workshop tonight. Click, 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 click. Tighten up the knot, don't let it slip. Measure twice, cut once, now breaking down and flip.